Today, I will show you how to create this effect. First, make sure to download the assets from the link in the description. Start by selecting the area you want to make transparent using the Object Selection tool. Once the selection is created, go to Select, Modify, Expand, and set the value to around 20. This will slightly expand the selection area. Next, use the Remove tool and paint inside the selected area. Photoshop will naturally remove the object you want to make transparent. Now hold Command or Control and click on the thumbnail of the newly created layer. With the selection active, create a layer mask. Select the mask, then increase the feather value inside the Properties panel. Around this amount should be good. Now you can already start to see the transparent texture appear. Next, move the original image layer from the bottom all the way to the top. Then go to Select and choose Color Range. Select the bright areas of the image. For the fuzziness value, something around this level should work well. Once the selection is ready, select the top layer and press Command or Ctrl-J to duplicate only the selected area. Now the transparent area has much more texture and detail, but right now it looks a little too strong, so lower the fill value to around 65%. Next, let's brighten the inside of the transparent area a little more. Select the bottom layer and make a selection around the person. Once the selection is ready, click the circular icon at the bottom and create a brightness contrast adjustment layer. Move the layer here, then slightly increase the brightness. Around this level looks good. Lower the contrast as well. Now duplicate that adjustment layer. Select the mask and increase the feather value again. This amount should work nicely. Next, let's adjust the overall colors. Add a gradient map adjustment layer. This green gradient matches the mood really well, but the gradient is a little too strong right now. So change the blending mode to color burn. Then lower the fill value to around 55%. Next, let's add some lighting effects. Drag this light texture from the downloaded assets into the canvas. Change the blending mode to screen and position it around here. Then press Command or Ctrl-J to duplicate it. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and add some blur. Around this amount should be good. Then scale it up and position it like this. Next, let's add some texture. Cover the entire canvas with the texture and change the blending mode to lighten. Then press Command or Ctrl-L to open the Levels panel. Now fine-tune the texture and contrast. Next, add another texture and repeat the same process. Finally, click the circular icon in the bottom right and add a grain adjustment layer. This will add even more texture and detail to the final image. And that's it. The effect is complete. Subscribe for more creative tutorials. You'll find me on Instagram and TikTok, and my posters are available for purchase too. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.